I discovered something new in Canva. I don't know how long it has been in existence, but I just discovered it a couple of days ago and I was blown away. And you already know that with me, there's no gatekeeping. Once I discover something new in Canva, I always love to share. So I'm going to show you that particular feature. In fact, if you follow me on LinkedIn, you would have heard me mention scrollable design. And if you don't know how to add scrollable design, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. All right, let's get into it. I'll be preparing a document. Let me get my article. I already have my text here, so I'll just copy and paste my text and then add the scrollable design to it, just so you see how it works or how you can add it to your document. So I'll copy this and paste. So this is my document. I want to add a scrollable design to this document so that it won't just be a static, text. It will be something that would excite the reader. So let me scroll down. This is where I'm going to be adding the scrollable design. I'll just click on this plus icon here, and then there you have it, scrollable design. You can add any design. You can use, these are things that you can add to your design, but my interest is this scrollable design, so I'm just going to click on it. And here are options. I can add any of my recent design, but I want to add a new design, not from a recent design. So I'm just going to click on add scrollable design. And even if you don't know how to use it, there's a learn and play here that you can practice how to use the scrollable design. But of course, by the time you're done watching this tutorial, you should be able to add scrollable design to your document. So I'm going to go ahead to click on this. All right, so here is where I can create my design. I can create my design from scratch or use a template. For the sake of this tutorial or for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm just going to go ahead to use a template. I'll click on this template. It has about 12 pages. So I'll add all the pages, apply all 12 pages. So all 12 pages have been added. And interest why I'm using this tutorial, why I decided to use this template is because it already has the transition, the animation that I need for my scrollable design. So that's why I decided to go for that template. So even if you want to recreate or even if you want to create your own design, you can always customize this template. And like I mentioned, it already has the transition, the animation. So you can just change the text, change the colors, whatever you need to add just to make it yours. You can just customize it just the way you want it. But I'm just going to use this for this demonstration. So here is my template for the scrollable design, and I'll just go ahead and click on save so that it will add it to my document. So here it is. As I'm scrolling, my design is popping up with clean animation. So this is it. So somebody who is reading this will find it interesting. They want to see the end of all of this. So this is a cool feature. In fact, when I discovered it, I was excited because I know what I could do with this, scrollable design. So if you're a course creator, this is a cool feature that you can introduce to your document. So instead of sending boring PDF files, you can just design scrollable designs and then add it to that document, download as a PDF file and send to your students. So this is a cool feature, and it's easy to create. Just click on the plus icon, select a scrollable design, and then add it to your document, and you're good to go. I hope you found something valuable in this tutorial. If you did, leave a comment, like, share, and of course, you can always subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber. Until then, See you in my next tutorial.